Namaskar, Yoga series में we welcome you and my aim for doing these small talks to you all is because this is my realization that somewhere we are forgetting our own existence, right? Somewhere we have so many misconceptions about ourselves. So if we check ourselves in today's scenario, what's happening? We say human being is the supreme for everything, and we have, if you compare from last 70 years, 50 years, 20 years time, we are more comfortable now, we are more connected now, we know what's happening in different countries, right? Most of us have telephones and some kind of all facilities. Most of us have food also. I'm not saying we don't have poverty, but we have poverty also. But in comparison, we are talking, right? So we have that. So what should be the result of all these things? That we should be more happy, we should be more healthy, we should be more cooperative, we should be more understanding, we should be like taking care of our families, we should be responsible for our parents, we should be disease free. But what's happening? We are most depressed, most isolated. We don't want to take responsibility of our parents. We don't want to involve with the society. We don't want to contribute for the society. We don't want to hold any responsibility. Why? If we say we are developed, we have all facilities, then we should be more happy, more satisfied, but we are not. So somewhere something is wrong. This I realized, and that's why I thought that we are doing so many things, and you are doing asana pranayama most perfectly than me. I'm still not doing that perfectly, the difficult asanas and all sort of things. But somewhere we are forgetting the basic thing is that our existence. Our existence is based on some principles. We are also a part of this whole nature. And universe has its own laws. Nature, we call it Prakriti. Nature has its own laws. Planet follows that. Sunrise on time, sunset happens on time, moon comes, does his own work, planets are moving with their speed on their designated way. Birds, they rise with sun, they sleep when sunset happens. The only, even everything is going with nature. It's only human, it's only we who are going against nature. And whenever a person will go against nature, difference will happen, problems will be created, because this body also has a system and we are not following that system. When we follow this system, we become part of the universe. When we'll go away from the system, you go away from the nature, the disturbance will be developed. And that disturbance we are seeing in form of disease are on rise, in form of suicides, in form of mental stress, in form of disintegration of families, in form of our tolerance power is decreasing, in form of individualistic way is increasing, in form of we don't want to settle the situation, we don't want to share our things. So these are the things which are increasing. This shows that somewhere we are going against to our nature. So that's why. And only faculty which is required here is the yoga, which deals with your body, mind, soul. That's why we say Yog Se Hoga. Pay attention to it, and we'll talk about how things are connected in our next session. Thank you so much. See you again. Yog Se Hoga. Take care of yourself. Thank you.